Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a new 2020 Hot Wheels, and this is the Alpine A110 Cup. The name for the casting is the Alpine A110, but they changed it to Cup when they introduced it in the Hot Wheels Race Day series. And this was originally in the Factory Fresh series for 2019, and then we see it in another blue color, and then there was a gray color for the recolor. But this came out Hot Wheels Race Day 2020, number 3 of 10, and just a really nice ride. This is number 80 of 250 on the year, and I got this at my Family Dollar when they stocked an old 2020 Diecasts. Hot Wheels Race Day is a series. These speed demons prove any day is a great day to hit the track. And I do like doing the single unboxings. Even though I do mass unboxings, I like to do the single unboxings as well, because I like to focus on one car sometimes. But this is a very sweet ride. I cannot wait to get this out of the packaging and take a nice look at it. Alright. Now is the time to get it open. And holy cow, that was easy. Beauty. 2020 Hot Wheels Alpine A110 Cup. Finally out of the packaging. Let's take a better look at it. Alright, here we are. The first color of 2020, the Alpine A110 Cup. What a beautiful ride in a nice blue color. This is a French sports car, I believe, and in real life it is a competitor for the Porsche Panamera and the Audi TT. And these are rivaling sports cars. Out of these, this is the most expensive, but it's the lightest one. They made this as light as possible in real life. Anyways, as I said, beautiful blue color, awesome gray PR5 rims. Those are Phil Redmond 5-spoke wheels, and a number 36 on the side, as you can see, with a nice fading orange tampo. Let's take a nice look at it. Very nice ride. Hot Wheels Race Day car. Glad to have this 2020 variation loose. Wow, you can see that. Very nice aerodynamic, sleek design. Number 36, it's got like a nice tracing on the 36 there. And that fuel cap is in the front fender rather than the back fender. That's interesting. I think this might be a front engine vehicle, but I'm not quite sure. Let's take a look at the front. And this actually has 4 headlights. They only painted 2 of them, and that's not an error. That looks like a normal thing. And there's a number 36, as you can see right on the hood. Beautiful painted headlights, very detailed, as you can see. And there's some more orange tampos right on the hood there. Beautiful ride. The steering is on the left, the USA side. Pretty cool. There's my fingerprint. 2-door coupe. Beautiful sports car. There's the other side of it. Very nice. I actually really like this one. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And these wheels, they spun very well. Back ones did not spin independently, but the front ones did. You can take a nice look at these taillights. Kind of reminds me of the Dodge Charger for some reason. I don't know. They're not painted, so not much to look at. You can see. Let's take a look at the black plastic base. Has a black plastic base made in Malaysia. And this is a 2020 Hot Wheels. This came out in the Diecasts, so it was a fairly old casting for 2020. There's the blister. The blister popped right off the card when I opened it up. I don't know why, but I just love it when that happens. I'll keep the card backs. I keep the card backs. Here's the newest color for 2020. I'll give you a better detail, a better look at it in my new series, which I will show you the intro of once I hit 200 subscribers. I've had this gray one since before I actually started collecting the cars. And I just decided to pick this one up at my Dollar General because I thought it was cool. And that's when it was brand new. But this one I got lucky when they stocked an old case. And ba-bam! Got 2 colors of it right here. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.